Hello everyone, let's go ahead and go into one of our locations. This is Clarksville. If you guys have never been, we have a bunch of fun things. This is our store. So just give you a quick look. We have a ton of things on sale. We have our long arm room right in there. We also have a ton of fabrics back in this other room, which I can also show you in a minute. But for right now, I'm going to be showing you our new arrival fabrics. They are super cute, you guys. We have super fun things made up into them to give you some ideas. There's this line right here, and it is the Noah's Ark line. So cute animals. It has these cute little fishes. So super cute, you guys. So to all the new mothers, new mamas, new grandmas, these are going to make out so cute. There is this panel that you can also make out with cute little guys in them. And they're little stuffed animal guys. And we also have some jelly rolls. So some really cute jelly rolls with that group. Super cute. And even some 5-inch squares. And also the jelly roll, you can make these two projects with them. So super cute. And then we have this Winnie the Pooh line. So any of your Disney lovers, you have this super cute line, guys. I'm going to kind of show you. I love how bright the designs are. And then I made up this cute little almost quilt. So you can get some ideas of what you can make with this fabric. It sewed out so great. And then we also have this cute sewing panel, you guys. So for the fun hobbyist quilters, this is the quilt shop. That would be so cute in any of your guys' sewing room. So you guys need this in your collection. Definitely come down to the Clarksville store and get you guys some of these panels. It's been so popular. And then also we have this really cute group. I love small prints. These make up into quilts so good and easily. So I'm going to show you some of these. This line's super cute that we got as well. Look at the little owls. And little cricket guys. But it is so fun, you guys. We have a ball here. We have open sews and sit and sews. And we even have this cute ABC panel, you guys. So this is just some of the fabric we have, our new arrivals. It's right when you walk into the store. So super awesome. And we even have a ton more in this back section. So we want to see you. We want to see you come in and see your smiley faces. And if you guys want to see more of this, go ahead and like the video and we'll show you some more fun content. Thanks, everyone.